1 mile jogging test and 1 mile walking test. Equipment you will need: proper attire, 400-meter track, scale, stopwatch, pen and paper, and heart rate monitor, which is optional. 1 mile jogging test. In order to qualify, you must be a man or a woman between the ages of 18 to 29. Make sure you warm up for at least 2 to 3 minutes. The goal is to jog a mile at a comfortable pace without stopping. Men must complete in at least 8 minutes, and women must complete in at least 9 minutes. This is also going to be a sub-maximal test. Warm-up for the jogging may include straight leg high kicks, walking lunges, high knees, and karaoke. Starting the 1 mile jog test. Lap 2 of the 1 mile jog test. Lap 3 of the 1 mile jog test. Lap 4 of the 1 mile jog test. Heart rate must be taken after the test completion. Place 2 fingers on either over the radio or the coordinated site. Count the number of beats in 15 seconds and multiply by 4. Make sure your heart rate does not exceed 180 beats per minute. 1 mile walking test. In order to qualify, you must be a man or a woman between the ages of 20 to 69. Make sure you warm up for at least 5 to 10 minutes. The goal of this test is to walk a mile as fast as possible without jogging. This test is good for the sedentary population as well as the elderly population. This is also going to be a sub-maximal test. Warm-up for the walking test may include stretching the legs by bringing them up towards the chest and holding for a slight second. You may also bend your knees by bringing your leg behind you and holding it for another slight second. And light skips. Starting the 1 mile walk test. Lap 2 of the 1 mile walk test. Lap 3 of the 1 mile walk test. Lap 4 of the 1 mile walk test. Again, you must take the heart rate after the test is completed. Place 2 fingers on either the radio or the coordinated site. Count the number of beats in 15 seconds and multiply by 4. Make sure your heart rate does not exceed 180 beats per minute. We are going to be using the 1 mile jogging formula in order to find the VO2 max. Keep in mind that in gender, 1 is for males and 0 is for females. As an example, we're going to be plugging in my numbers into the formula. My body weight is 65 in kilograms. Time complete is 12.2 minutes, and you must convert the seconds to minutes by dividing by 60. My heart rate was 168 beats per minute, and my gender is 0 since I'm a female. Plug it into the formula, so it's going to be 100.5 minus 0.1636 times 65 kilograms minus 1438 times 12.2 minutes minus 0.1928 times 168 beats per minute plus 8.344 times 0, which equals 39.93 milliliters per kilograms per minute. And that is going to be the VO2 max for the jogging formula. This is going to be the formula that we're going to be using to find the VO2 max for the 1 mile walking test. Again, for the gender, 1 is males and 0 is for females. We're going to plug my numbers into the 1 mile walking formula. My body weight is 143 pounds, age is 22 years, time complete is 17.97. Again, you must convert the seconds to minutes by dividing by 60. Heart rate is 96 beats per minute, and my gender is 0 since I'm a female. Plug into the VO2 max formula. 132.853 minus 0.0769 times 143 pounds minus 0.3877 times 22 years plus 6.315 times 0 minus 3.2649 times 17.97 minutes minus 0.1565 times 96 beats per minute, which equals to 39.63 milliliters per kilograms per minute, and that is the VO2 max.